Okay, so right now I will teach you how to create a YouTube feed on Journalist AI. And for that, you need to click here on Create Feed, and we will select this option, Add a YouTube channel feed. Okay, this is a very simple process. You just select this option and you will paste the YouTube channel URL here. So let me jump to YouTube. I have my URL here. This is a YouTube channel, normal YouTube channel. I just paste here the channel URL and I click here on Create Feed. And after a few seconds, you will see all the videos here in the feed list. Okay, our feed is ready. As you can see, all the videos from the channel were converted into potential articles. Okay, if you by any chance don't like a specific one, you can select it and remove it from the feed. Okay, and it will be removed. And if you want to change the YouTube feed, the YouTube channel URL, you can select another YouTube channel and paste the new URL here, save changes, and your feed will be updated. So yeah, this is how you create a YouTube feed at Journalist AI.